In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to give someone access to manage your Hostinger account step by step. This is perfect if you're working with a web developer, designer, virtual assistant, or team member, and you don't want to share your personal login details. Instead of giving out your password, you can securely grant access with specific permission levels. I'll also show you how to remove access at any time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the website loads, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then sign in to your account dashboard. This will take you to your main Hostinger control panel, where you can manage your hosting, domains, and other services. After you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see different options related to your account and hosting services. To give someone access, find and click on Account Sharing. This is the section where you can manage who has permission to access your Hostinger account. Once you click on it, you'll see the Access Management panel. Now it's time to send an access invitation. Click on the button that says Grant Access. A new window or panel will appear, asking for the details of the person you want to invite. First, enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. Make sure you type the correct email address, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, you'll need to choose the access level. Hostinger typically gives you two main options, admin or collaborator. An admin usually has broader permissions and can manage most aspects of the account, including hosting settings and services. A collaborator typically has more limited access, depending on what you allow. Choose the role carefully based on how much control you want the person to have. If you're working with a developer who needs full control, admin might make sense. If it's someone who only needs partial access, collaborator may be the better choice. After selecting the access level, you'll need to select the managed services you want them to access. This allows you to control exactly which hosting plans or services they can manage. Once you've selected the appropriate services, click on Grant Access to send the invitation. Now the process moves to the recipient. The person you invited will receive an invitation email from Hostinger. They need to open that email and click on Accept Invitation. If they don't see the email, they should check their spam or junk folder just in case. After they accept the invitation, they'll be able to log in to their own Hostinger account and see your account listed under Shared Access in their dashboard. That means the access has been successfully granted. At this point, they can start managing the services you allowed them to access without ever needing your personal login details. This keeps your account more secure while still allowing collaboration. Now let's quickly talk about how to remove access, because this is just as important. If you ever stop working with that person or no longer want them to manage your account, you can revoke their access in just a few clicks. Go back to the Access Sharing section in your Hostinger dashboard. You'll see a list of users who currently have access to your account. Find the user you want to remove and click on Remove Access. Confirm your choice, and their permissions will be revoked immediately. They will no longer be able to access your services. And that's it. That's exactly how to give someone access to manage your Hostinger account and how to remove it whenever you need to. It's a simple but powerful feature that keeps your account secure while making teamwork easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow hosting and website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.